Okay guys, so today I'm going to be going into modded codes in Animal Company with my partner in Froggy VR.
Yeah!
Okay, so who wants to go in the code first?
If you want. Yeah.
Okay.
I can go.
You can go in and then we'll
I'll text you. I'll text you if it's real.
Okay. So partner, can you check the text and see if it's real? If it's a modded code or not? If you went into a modded code.
Oh yeah, I could check. I just need to wait. I just need to wait for him to send me a text. So. Should we like?
Or maybe you can join through the friends list.
That's the thing. Do you want to look for like suitcases in the lobby?
Or nut shredders.
Nut shredders? I got the perfect code for nut shredders.
Oh, but it can also be suitcases.
The code is mod 1.
Yeah.
The code is mod 1.
So guys, this is my 40 sub special. Because
the code
I got
is mod
40
1.
subscribers
Join me in the code mod 1, okay?
Okay.
Join me in the code mod 1.
Okay. So, my partner told me this is a code. Oh, I'm in. Wait. Oh. I'm in the code. Oh, I just found this. This is crazy. Hello. Froggy VR. Hello. Guys, this code. I'm good. I just found a blue fan in the wall. That's the crazy thing. A backpack. What? It's just staying. This code is crazy. Laggy. Oh! Yo! I've never actually used these. This is the crazy part. Bro, this is like the best code I joined. Okay, so I'm just gonna join my partner through the friends list. Okay, so I haven't heard from them. Okay, so guys, I just found this fan. Okay, I'm gonna join my partner. He just said he found a modded code. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm in the code.
What the hell, mate? If anyone wants to help,
Yo, what's up?
put ray guns.
I found this in mod 1. I found
And
this
then
in mod
shoot
1.
the ray guns on the RPG. Look, there's so many heart guns. Look, there's big heart guns. Bro, why you collecting?
I have a bag full of heart guns in my backpack.
Don't blast it, and this is what I got.
Oh yeah. Froggy VR. I was in the same code, but I left. Wait, who's
That was
this?
so lucky.
I'm your friend. Do you remember that? Like a long time ago, whenever you were trying to get that VPN?
Mine?
Yeah, your VPN.
Oh
That
yeah.
you wanted.
He
Like a
is my
long time
friend.
ago.
There was also a giveaway in the code that I found, and there was like stuff like
We did
this.
a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
What's this?
It's a full bag.
Wait, I got a full bag of
Look what I
different
got. Look
heart
what I
guns.
got. Look what I got. But don't steal this. But I got some of this. I got
Yeah,
this.
this. It's
I got
different.
Galaxy.
That's cool.
Uh,
But there's also
Calculator.
something I found in a lobby.
You forgot something. Yo, thank you.
I found
No, actually,
this. I
you can
think
keep
this
this.
is rare,
You can
right?
keep that. You can keep that. Froggy VR, you can keep that.
I found this in a lobby too.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I have an item that it was the old version. I have an iPad.
I got a big Galaxy calculator.
I have this.
Can I put stuff in this?
Wait, Black, is this rare?
Huh?
Is this rare?
It's rare? But if it's Galaxy, it would be rare. It's the definition of rare. It's kind of rare.
Wait, can someone revive me?
Please, whenever those
Can someone revive me?
stop. Oh, yo, bro, I got one of those, but it's a different color.
The pink one?
Wait, I'm gonna dupe
Yeah,
a
the
little
pink
bit,
one.
okay? Hey guys, I'm gonna do a
bag is
dupe.
it?
Ready?
Oh yeah, pink company rash. Mine's green and
Guys, I'm duping, okay? I'm gonna dupe these sticky dynamites.
Are you doing it with anything else?
how did you even dupe them?
It's the secrets of a magician. Get out! You need to leave. Yeah, you could have some.
Galaxy?
You could have some. Yeah,
Oh,
take it.
but wait. I want
Guys,
this.
is
I
this
want,
the new fan?
yo, you. I'm gonna give you dreads. Dreads.
Guys, want to make a big explosion?
Dreads. Yeah, I'm gonna
Guys,
make a big
where's 40 subscribers? Let's make a big explosion.
Oh yes,
shit.
a big
We're gonna
Yaya
make a big
kaboom.
explosion. So guys, get rocket ammo. No, don't explode it yet. Don't explode it. Get a lot of rocket ammo.
Who wants this broccoli? This bag of broccoli.
Yeah, me.
Okay.
Wait, bring everything close to it. Bring all of this.
Oh,
This is the biggest
food
kaboom
weight.
ever.
Yes, biggest kaboom. Biggest kaboom of 2025.
Don't explode it yet. Just keep on buying
I
stuff.
got an idea to get you more subs. I could do giveaways, and then I'll tell them to subscribe to Flixie_GT.
That's Sigma idea.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, this is gonna be the best idea.
Like we could do giveaways and then tell them to like subscribe to Flixie_GT.
Bro, it's really
Wait.
lagging. Let's explode it.
No, not yet.
I'm gonna have it ready. No, don't explode it. No, don't. I'm still gonna put more. Alright, should we explode it now?
Yes.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yes! 3, 2, 1.
What the?
My screen.
I'll make a video with it.
No?
That
That
was the
was
biggest
crazy.
kaboom. Yeah, that really fling me all the way over there.
Bro, that was the biggest.
No, bro, my
Okay,
screen's
let's do it
lagging
again.
so hard.
No again! No again! Is it still lagging? No again!
Yeah.
Not again! Not again! Not again! Not again!
Yes, again.